In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to connect your Focusrite sound card to FL Studio. How to connect your Focusrite sound card to FL Studio. So the first thing you need to do is to install the driver. So you go to Google, go to your browser, and go to Focusrite website to download the driver. So once you get to the browser, you type in Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 third generation. So introducing Scarlett third generation Focusrite. So you click on it, then you get to their website. So you can see there are different versions of Focusrite on the website. So then the next thing is to look for the software. So you go to the interface and go to the support system and click download. So the support system where the driver is located is out. So you go to Focusrite to pick your product type. So you scroll down and look for third generation. That is the version of my own Focusrite. So you basically look for your own generation of the Focusrite you want to install. So you click on it. So you click on it. So after you click on it, you go to software, then you click on it, then you scroll down and you go for Windows. If you have my Mac PC, you download the application for Mac, but you're going to download for Windows. So you click save. So you click save to download. Then after you finish download, although I already have it in my computer, you go to your location, the download, and you find the software. So you right click and run as administrator so that you start installing. So as you can see, the window is out for installation. So I already have the application in my system already installed. So there is no need installing the board for you. You decide to just click next and follow the prompt to install. So after you finish installing the Focusrite software, you open up your FL Studio. So now we have opened up our FL Studio. So the Focusrite driver will now help you to hear your output recorded through your headphone and also with your computer. So the next thing you need to do is to connect your Focusrite cord to your laptop or your computer. Then after which you open your FL Studio, then you go to options and you go to audio settings. So in audio setting on your PC, you're going to see your Focusrite USB as your driver. I click. Then after which, if you are using your Mac laptop, you're going to connect your Focusrite. Then for playback tracking, click hybrid. So if you also want to change the sample rate of your project, you just go to that place rating sample rate and change it, and also change your buffer length and buffer size. So this is basically on how to connect your Focusrite sound card to FL Studio.